All right, so we got the Denali back in the shop again. We got a full house of crazies. They're all here. Even Wilson's over there too. So we're going to be putting the gooseneck hitch in the back of the old Denali here. It's a 2016 GMC 2500 HD.
Only thing we have parts for.
It's not true. It's not the only thing we have parts for, but it's the only thing that fits in the garage, and it's raining, and we don't want to be out there getting dirty and whatnot. So we are putting the Curt gooseneck reversible deal in there. Gooseneck hitch. Did you finally win one?
I won rock, paper, scissors. I won.
And then we're also going to be doing the Hopkins wiring kit as well. So we're going to get all that going today, and hope you guys enjoy.
Installation time for a professional, 45 minutes.
Oh, there's no effing way.
Novice, DIY, 90 minutes.
There's no way. This is going to take way longer than that.
But there is 4 pros.
Yeah, it
doesn't say you have to be a professional mechanic.
There is one amateur here. There's one amateur here and 3 mouth breathers.
Yeah. So the professional would lay everything out, and then once we lay everything out, the timer started 45 minutes ago.
We still haven't started the timer yet.
Prep time.
Yeah, prep time doesn't count.
Prep time. Not at all.
This is like studying for the exam.
Yeah.
We are cramming for the exam right now. It's some of this prepping.
This is all fixed up, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it ain't cheap, bro.
Well, 30,000 pounds this thing will supposedly hold. So yeah, it's large and in charge. Did anyone start the timer?
Not yet. No, we haven't started yet.
Oh, is that what we're going?
Prepping here. Fish wire?
Yeah, these came with it.
What?
I really like this kit so far.
Gangsters. Alright, so
I'm really liking this kit too.
I'm really liking
These fish wires is a good idea.
Well, the top, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was
I
checking.
like the fact that it comes with it.
I know.
Like I didn't have to take safety wire
Make sure
and make my own.
Where's that silver Sharpie? No, the black won't work.
Oh yeah, it'll be
Grab me the yellow paint pen.
I'm looking
Or the
for
blue
good
one,
paint
or-
pen.
All right, black will work.
I know black will work.
Never mind, we're good.
I got it.
Don't worry.
I got it, dude.
Here you go, we don't need that anymore.
What?
Just you put a mark on it.
John took care of it. Copy's here.
All right, now what?
Alright, so now we know which way this goes. This other one's self-explanatory. We know where those are laid out. We got all the bolts and everything pretty much lined up with stuff. If you want, we can start the timer. Unless you want to remove the heat shield first. Because it says installation. It doesn't say disassembly.
No. That's part of the installation.
You're crazy.
Okay. Yeah, we'll pause the timer if that's
Unless-
an issue.
Unless it's in the way of these
All
holes.
right, we going?
Timer's going.
All right, so this is the aft or the forward?
That's aft.
I think it's just getting covered in shit.
Well, we really only need to remove one side.
Yeah, it's just gonna really suck to do because
Just pop these two and move it enough to
just pull it back.
I doubt it.
with them
Sure.
What?
torque.
Torques.
T15. Yeah. Yeah, we work.
Arrow up and back.
Well, it's got to lay down.
Hold on, let me get under.
Okay. More.
Keep going. All right, you good?
All right.
Are you all the way through over there?
No, more.
All right, keep going.
There you go.
All right, now we gotta roll it. Which way do we gotta roll?
Yeah, that's not
You gotta get closer. Yeah. Do it. There you go. All right,
cool.
We're in.
And like swim.
We gotta get this in now, which I'm not really sure how the hell that's gonna happen. So we're gonna run in the same store. We're running into 4. And this is gonna be even worse.
Okay, which way does this guy go? Flat part down?
I don't know. Flat part up.
Flat part up?
Yep.
Bolt faces forward?
Whoa,
or
hey.
aft?
Brian, there is a curve in this one, dude.
Yeah, there's a notch in the
There's a
bottom.
notch in this one, man.
Oh, there is a notch.
Which way does does the notch have to go?
Doesn't. It's got to be for the tank, because that's where it's at.
Okay, so that has to go down. So
Yeah, that's the way it looks in there and see.
Brian, I thought you said they got their started. They're both started.
They did. Oh no, they didn't need those bolts.
Oh, this is gonna be great.
that's it, bro.
Not happening.
That's it. That's all you get.
Yeah, I'm hitting the metal part underneath there. That's not happening.
Can you flip it up the other way? Because that should be the same. It's gonna be a fucking-
Either way, it's gonna be the same. Same story.
Nope. That ain't happening.
What's going on over there? What are you doing?
Yeah, that don't fit.
Where?
Is it long enough? Am I gonna need the other one more?
Like a tight clip again.
A lot of talking to this little guy.
Use this.
To lift up and slide.
Yeah.
I was thinking if we can get it up, we just set Shirley right there and let it rest.
Yeah, give it a little. Alright, so leave these going like so. Alright. I need you to do that. Alright, so
See
yeah,
what I
we need
mean?
Shirley.
Set Shirley there.
Yeah, it lifts just fine, but I can't lift.
Can't push it.
Alright, so you ready, Wilson? Going up.
Heads up.
Are you in there?
Yep. I need somebody to catch this as it comes across.
You ready? It's on your no, it's way over there.
Way on the other side.
Like, get outside, John, where Joe is, and just get ready to feed it up
It's on top of the frame.
on the frame rail. Do you see it?
It looks like it's
All right, Traby, you come over here.
Go south. Go back.
He can't.
Okay.
You're gonna have to do it from the inside.
Okay. Flat bar goes up top, right?
It doesn't matter. We just need to slide it in. So if you can just slide it in right now, that's all we need.
Slide.
All right, you ready? 1, 2, go. Yeah, that's not happening.
It's tight on the other side now.
Yeah, seems like it.
You gotta go forward, too.
Yeah, but we can do that after we get it through.
You see what I'm hitting on over there, John? Oh, I'm hitting on your bracket, dude. The bracket that's installed.
Oh, well then go forward.
That's what I'm saying.
Angle it forward.
Oh, there you go.
There you go, right
Go
there.
right past it.
Come in. Alright.
I was wondering what the hell the problem was.
You're up against the fender liner. It needs to be twisted up and pushed back to y'all a little bit or whatever. Now it needs to be twisted.
All right, so spin it up. All right,
Oh, no. Yeah.
now go up against your bracket, John,
Come in.
wherever you need to be.
I got Shirley.
Alright, you can go back to y'all just a smidge.
Alright, go ahead and let Shirley out. Alright, watch your fingers. Shirley's coming out.
Do you want me to hold this still?
No, yeah, for a minute. Alright, now you can let go.
It's gonna fall.
Is it?
Just roll it down.
Alright, that's fine.
If it'll roll in there.
Yeah. Alright, now we can put this freaking bracket back on. Yeah, so it definitely looks like we don't need both, but
Well, they went different.
I'm putting both in.
Try back when I hit it to the angle of the jangle. Yeah. So,
Yeah, let me get locked in over here first.
You lined up for these?
Not even a little bit. I have no idea. I can't feel anything.
Alright, hold
I can't get it started, I can tell you that much.
on. Okay, hold on.
Are we upside down?
No.
Are you sure?
I laid it up there and marked it. Let me see something real quick, because this thing was too low on that side.
Oh, it is too long. This one. Push up on it. You got a couple threads in?
Yeah, a couple.
I'll leave these where they're at. And we'll put boxes on them.
I don't know. How much room do you need, John?
You said you got an 1/8 inch or a 1/4 inch? You got a 1/4 inch on the cab side and about 1/2 inch on the tailgate end.
That's fine. That's plenty.
Are you sure?
That's plenty.
Okay. John says it's plenty.
I know how to stop when I go through.
How many is that?
Enough to say that's probably not a true statement.
That said that's a lot.
I don't like this part. Alright, I changed my mind. I don't want to do it.
Hey. Talk about dead nuts.
Well, yeah. Oh, did you get it right in the center of the...
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me see.
Metal.
Oh, no, it's a 1/4 centimeter off. Millimeter.
1/4 of a centimeter is a long
Hey, do you have a
way, bro.
fossil?
What?
The bonchon?
Yeah. You never had bonchon before?
No.
Bonchon's delicious, dude. It's literally, imagine chicken. That's the chicken you get in Chinese food.
Yeah.
But giant pieces of it.
It's spicy, Brian. It's real spicy.
How spicy is real spicy?
If you don't like spicy, then you may not like it. Get a drink and not water. Anything but water. It's the after effects after you're done.
Oh, I feel it.
Go get some milk or butter or something.
I'm sweating right now.
Oh, we going in for seconds?
It's okay as long as you keep eating.
You can't stop eating.
After piece 3, it's
Don't drink water. That'll make it 100 times worse.
Will it?
Absolutely.
milk.
Milk or coffee creamer.
But I'm thirsty.
Don't drink water. Whatever you do.
That's actually a little higher than this, so.
Let me come over that way, son.
Alright, I go right there.
Right there?
There we go.
Yep, nice and easy.
What?
No,
What?
no.
What?
I wanted to see where the,
looking at
I
me?
wanted to see where the camera was. 'Cause this needs to be on
Jesus.
film. Nice and easy.
Are we even going in?
No. I don't know how good that drill bit is on the.
Jesus.
That Highland drill bit is garbage.
All that hype for nothing.
You're actually gonna drill this thing. Alright. Question. Well, other than that, will it stay in the track if we take that off now? Or no?
I wouldn't trust it.
recommend it.
You turn one way and it walks across, and I'm not getting yelled at for that.
I just really,
I know what that drum
I
is.
really don't want to see a nipple right here. Oh.
Man, we lost it forever.
No, give me the magnet.
It's in hair.
Gary, stop it.
Get out of here. Here's the real question. Where's the thing that goes in the hole?
You took it.
Why does everyone keep blaming shit on me? That's right there. The lion sack. All right, so that wasn't terrible, but it definitely took us a lot longer than the, what was it, hour? It said it would take a professional an hour, and it would take us as non-professionals 2 hours and 45 minutes. It took way longer than that, but we also didn't cut a hole in the side of the bed on the pinch line. We actually took the bed loose and lifted it up and did it in a way that was far less invasive. It was just, I can't believe that they expect you, especially if you have like a brand new truck like they were doing it on theirs, to cut up your brand new truck. It's just ridiculous to me. But we got it all put together. It works great, looks great. Everything's nice and tidy. Video on out the door, but we got a couple more projects coming up on this truck, and then we're basically gonna call it good for a while. I mean, thing's still under warranty, so I don't want to void anything. We're not trying to make any big crazy horsepower. I just want to be comfortable and able to tow the big trailers and everything we want to do. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.